Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how to remove Save Search in Google Chrome laptop. In order to remove Save Search in Google Chrome, first of all, check your internet connection, open up a browser of your choice, and once you open up a web browser, in the top right hand side corner, tap on the three dot icon and go to settings. While you're in this page, from the left hand side corner, you can see multiple options. So from the list, you need to go ahead and tap on privacy and security. Once you go ahead and tap on privacy and security, now scroll down a bit, go to security. While you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit, and if you have enabled Save Search, so right on this, scroll down a bit and go to no protection or no recommended. Just tap on the corner, and after that you'll be able to see that turn off safe browsing. If you want to turn it off, tap on the turn off button and you've successfully turned off your Save Search on Google Chrome. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.